gonna be separated, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna be separated.
For the first time.
Hey guys, Junnel here, and I am going to vlog me and Kim's separation. You see, there's my bag there, my baggage.
We're gonna be separated, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna be
For the
separated.
first time.
No, we're just gonna go. They're going to
California.
and I'm going to Maryland because we have a gig there with the band. But Kim and them and the kids are going to California for
Christmas weekend. Yes, and she's turning 8 years old. We're gonna celebrate it. Where? Disneyland.
I am going to vlog my end. Kim is also going to vlog her end. So, for 2 videos at the same timeline. So, yeah, I got some new stuff. But this is gonna be for her anyways. I'm only gonna use it once for this Maryland trip.
Buy a phone.
Buy your what?
Buy a phone.
You're buying a phone? That's fine.
Yeah.
Hi Jasmine. Hi. Jasmine. Hi. Sige lang. This is the band that we're going to Maryland.
Hello.
Hello. This is gonna be my first time to Maryland. This is their second time.
We're gonna piano yun. Automatic yung piano. Yung yung piano. Ito po niya kayo. Nag-asa yung mga...
Singer din yan pagdating.
Piano lang. Diyan, diyan. Diyan na piano.
Go nga. Go nga.
Asa tayo yung tuplo ka na?
Kita mo interesado.
Mura-mura ko. Iya po ba? Kaya mo na siya asa tuplo ka. Dance, dance, dance.
So we need 2 cars. It's okay, we got 2 cars. Okay.
Ata malini. Ako mga force, klaro kayo. Si Junnel na mag-drive. It stars on my toes, makes me crinkle my nose. Wherever you go, I always know why.
You want me to take this one?
Yeah. They're leaving.
Well, we're here, and I think we're already checked in. We're already checked in, so we don't have to wait for a long line.
Bye-bye.
Ready na?
Bye! Let's go!
Di ba naman kay...
Ready na yun!
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 of us here. Lagit mo. Kaya, uy! Sapa pa?
Dagang supply.
Hala. Sapato. Mana? Mana nagyod?
Iyon ako.
Kaya enak ke? Alright, since we are early here, we got about an hour or an hour and a half. We're gonna look for some place to eat because we're all hungry. Well, I'm hungry. So they decided to eat here at Popeyes. There. I guess everybody's hungry, so let's go ahead and eat.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, alright, just finished eating. We're about to board in 15 minutes. So we gotta go there now. Para dili mabiyaan. Sa oras mabiyaan. Ito yung dalawang bodyguard ko. Ano sir, plano ni ka-Sunday? Suroy? Sa?
Gabi pa mo na flight.
What time?
Ano oras sa biyahe pag gabi para rin? Tekoy. Tekoy. Ano oras sa gabi pag oras?
9:30.
9:30?
Ako sa Las Vegas para kuan.
Anong plano natin sa Sunday?
Ikot tayo sa ano?
Ikot-ikot
tayo.
Ikot-ikot.
Nakita na siguro yung duty yung sabi ko din na mo pare ko yung places to visit or to see in DC.
Ah.
Well, wala siyempre White House tapos yung Capitol.
In DC?
Tapos yung
Sa DC? They're looking at the Burger King. Alright. It's boarding time. About to go fly now. Hubog mana, hubog. I want to say all the way at the back. Oh my god, it's a long time.
Sudla sa Junnel Nelson. Ako ani ha kay.
Sige, gawas-gawas. Window seats. Window seats. This is what I want. I like the windows. To the window. To the wall. Yeah. See all of us in the same line.
Party's in the back of the bus, right?
The most important part of this fly is this.
One eternity later.
Just landed. I didn't get any sleep. My dad fell asleep. My mom was just watching the whole movie. Same with up?
Shazam.
Shazam. Shazam. Shazam the Kazam. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Good night. Second time ninyo din, no?
Oh.
Second time. It's my first time. Uy, ba na madunggan ka rin? Di madunggan ka na mo ang coach kasi kan. Alright. Got my beanie because it's cold. Oh. It's gonna get colder outside. Alright, so we are going to get picked up by, I think, whoever hired us is picking us up. The weather is not that bad. It's something that I can manage. Alright, alright is here. There it is.
Hi, son.
Hello.
Dito nasama sa... Oh, great, great.
We are here at Marriott. It's Marriott. Alright guys, so my cell phone just died on the way here to the room. I'm gonna show you guys how the room looks like. Okay, so I got the room for myself. Look at that. All this for myself. Okay. So I want to show you guys, of course, obviously they have a TV. Their bathroom right there. Okay. Bathroom looks really nice. This. Bathtub. Here. Okay. So that's how the room looks like. This is Marriott. So let me try to open this. See if we can see some view. Let's see. Can't really see it. Oh, okay. Alright. So we should be able to see more tomorrow. Maybe if I turn off the light, maybe. Let's see here. Alright, turn that off. Maybe we'll be able to see how. Okay, well, nothing to see here really. Most of their stores are already closed, and I'm pretty hungry. So that's it for today. First day of travel here in Maryland. It was tiring, to be honest. I'm hungry. Everything is closed here. You know, it's 2:30. So maybe I should just get some sleep. I'm starving. I have to check the drawers if they have food here, but I'm starving. I'm thirsty. Just the first day of the trip here to Maryland, so hopefully we have more activities tomorrow. Yeah, hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, bye bye.